not ignore this message. Do you guys know about the social dilemma on Netflix?
To know is that everything they're doing online is being watched, is being tracked, is being measured. Every single action you take is carefully monitored and recorded.
Yes or no, you should probably see this because there's a part that blow my socks off. Listen to this carefully. Social media is not just addictive, but it can change the way who you are. Wait, do not click off. You would probably say, I already knew that, yeah, whatever. Guess what? Me as a content creator, I already know about how the algorithm goes, how algorithm is. Kung ano yung clinic mong videos, ay syempre ipapakita sa inyo ni YouTube yung other videos related doon sa last video na pinanood mo. That's what I thought. But there's a deeper reason behind the algorithm, and it shocked me. Being a content creator for more than 3.5 years now, and I'm always looking for how to beat the algorithm, how to gain views, how to gain subscribers. But after watching this documentary film, I've realized that I'm contributing to the bad side of the social media. Dopamine hits, click-through rate, transitional sentence, hook, and so forth. These are just some kind of tactics that content creators and influencers use for you to stay engaged in the video. Those tactics that I've mentioned earlier will lead to what we call infinite scrolling. If you do not know what infinite scrolling is, well, let's put it this way. The algorithm prioritizes contents that triggers our strong emotional reactions, like fear, anger, or happiness. Yung para bang pag-open mo ng Facebook, pag-open mo ng TikTok, you are just mindlessly scroll for hours and hours without doing anything. Bakit ko nga ba ito sinasabi sa inyo? Hindi lang to basta makapagpasa lang kay Sira. I'm saying this to you guys kasi what if na lahat tayo is mag-participate sa SDG? What do I mean by participating, you ask? Not necessarily mean na you must join to the government or SK Kabataan, but makakatulong tayo sa pag-achieve ng goal natin sa pagdating sa SDG through social media. We already talk about how social media can manipulate people's mind, diba? So what if each one of us will make a short video about our opinion ng solution natin kung paano natin masusolusyonan yung problema? If we all do that, all of us, the ones who uses social media, would be aware about the solutions for contemporary problems that are facing of every country.